Hey, back again. Thursday morning. Swapped my shift again. So I worked last night. I got home at 4 this morning, but no, I'm not on till 2 o'clock in the morning. So no sausage morning for Winkerman and Derbyshire tomorrow. Out on a mission. Can't tell you where else I've had to shoot you. That pipe stayed on alright. Seems to stay warm. Lucky's gone right down to 10 point something volts, but it has stayed warm, that pipe. The temperature's up there 5 degrees higher than in here, so that'll do us. I've ordered a pH tester at home for the pond, if anybody's interested. I'll put on about the fish. I've ordered it Amazon, so it's coming in the morning. The big one's still hanging on, so let's hope he's okay. Right, we'll have a brew and then find something to do. Nice and healthy, that lecky again in no time. Been windy as well. Still is a bit. Decided what I'm going to do. One job anyway. Finish this greenhouse. Henry's put some horse manure in that bed. I'm up tidy up in this corner. Get tidied up and then just need something for the floor. You heard somebody talking then. Yeah. So I've got Bob on with that. See you in a bit. There you go. Sorted. I'll leave that in here. It's just a little potted area. As well. No way to put them tables anyway. I'm not leaving them outside because they'll get wet and they're okay then. I was showing you this citrus tree here. This little orange is on. Now this is about 4-year-old. And it kept dying off and dying off. Anyway, I planted it in here last year because it's been everywhere in pots and in polytunnel and everywhere, and it wouldn't live. I planted it in here and it's thriving. So there should be little oranges on that this year. Keep watching for it flower. Give it a feed down a bit. It's nice and warm in here when sun's out. But yeah, it's doing alright in there, that. Little citrus bush. Had little oranges on when I got it, but little tangerines. Anyway, that's tidy now. I just need a couple of bags of stone for down here, and it's done. Kettle time. Lovely day today though. I must be made of money. 1700 quid when I get back. Oh, get my screws over. Much better in there now. All finished that now, fit for growing. Well, it will be when I get some of these stones down. Adams family. Oh, Ken's just been on. He's just gone. Oh. Can't find that mark. Yeah, he's just gone. He was trying to fix the gate, not my gate, the big gate on here. Because the bottom hinge is dropped, so Everybody struggles getting the lock off, but what you've got to do is lift the gate up to close it. If you lift it up forward, it just clicks back in. But what it needs is a collar welding in. I'm going to have to bring my welder up and how's this gate doing on? I'll shut down a bit. Yeah, I'll have to bring the welder up and set the generator up. I might do that Sunday. Oh no, I'm not on Sunday. I'm looking Saturday night now. So, just wait for this turbine. I want to check what wattage is coming out of it now. It's a bit 14 an hour easterly breezes in about 10 minutes, half an hour. So just check this and then I'll be going home. Hey, back. Favourite day at week again, Saturday morning. Yeah, that was yesterday, a bit of yesterday, but look at this. That was a solid block of ice before. I'm having to thaw it out before I can boil it. Unbelievable. That's how cold it is in here. Wow. -3 out there. Kettle first. Here you go. Jobs for the winter, because it's about -4 today. Brew. It's absolutely freezing. Right, I need this extension. Oh, it's windy today too. 18 mile an hour in a bit, hopefully. I need this extension down here because this is the sensor. Obviously. That in where the soil is, so it tells you what temperature it is, because it says -2 there, but that's because it's in here. Watch, I'll hang it down there, it'll go warmer. See, and up to +3, so that needs to be in the soil with this part, and this part wants to go in too because it's a bit warmer. But if you look here, see, water inside, not ice, so it is keeping it. What is it in here? I don't know what it is. It's just about 3 degrees in here. I don't know what it is on that. What is it? Try and hold that lid up. It's about 7, is it? Can't get it. So yeah, so it's about 3 degrees higher in the. Yeah, so it is working, but that needs to go in the soil, so I need the extension, because all that there from there plus this needs to go inside that box. That when that temperature gets up in there, that's when it switches it off. It's not switching off at the minute because it's going up and down in here because it's cold. So I need to get that extension over there. Anyway, it's brew first. I'm just having to play about with this while I'm bored, so I've got it wired separate again now, just to watch this solar on its own. Look at that pumping in. See it on that side. Now that's because the sun's out. Now when it's when the sun goes in, I'll show you that. That'll slow down. That right slow down. That's just showing the solar working. That's pumping it in, isn't it? No wind yet. Plenty sun. See it now, the sun's gone in. Just trickling in. Melting. Well, the door, because it's all drying out now, this wood, door's gone a bit looser, so it keeps flying open. So trampoline spring, built-in door catch. See, don't throw anything away. There you go, how good's that? Right, in my humble opinion, that wind turbine's not, it's alright, just as a trickle charger, but this is the one that puts all the charge in, because this is wattage, this. So we're getting coming out of that now between, well, it keeps jumped up to 180 before. That's not bad actually, because I've only really got 200 watt of solar panel, and they're behind plastic as well, but it's still putting plenty in if you can like. Now when that windmill turns, I'll do it in a minute when it turns, and that puts about 40, 50 watts in at the most, and that's when it's spinning fast. But I'll get it spinning really fast in a bit and try it, but it's going to start off in a minute, and we'll see the difference. And in my opinion, you're just better off with just solar panels. It's alright like, but for 80 quid extra, it's only putting 50 volts in. That's going to take all day to charge it at a full whap. Anyway, we'll see. Well, there you go, it's whistling away now. That's what I'm pulling out. 27. Just going nice and steady now, but it's only pulling like 26, 27 volts. When it's spinning, it was only up to 50. So it's not really, it's topping it up, but it's not really putting much in. The solar's putting a lot more in for a lot less effort really. So there you go, that's Mickey D's conclusion. Windmill looks alright as a decoration. There you go. Yeah, what I'm going to do next time I'm on, I've got some of this cable at home, so I'm going to run a cable across there, 2 cables, black and red, to that polytunnel, and put an inverter in there, and then I'll be able to plug that soil warming pipe in. It's a waste of time using it at the minute, because that sensor's out of the dead that it's going in. Oh, it's nice and warm in here though. Yeah, that sensor there needs to be in the bed. So I'm going to bring that thing and I'll put that in. I'll sit the inverter on there. In fact, I'll do that in a minute, and then all I have to do is run the wire through. I'll just run it along this bed straight across. It should have enough, I think, hopefully. I think it's about 6 metres. I'll take it through the top here somewhere and straight across. Yeah, so that's what I need. So I'll just text you if I'm in work tomorrow. If I'm not in work tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. So I'll put both these videos together. Well, all 3, because there's one from the day before as well. Okay. Building up now. Same as these seedlings, them beans are coming through. See them all popping through there. Cabbage, is it? Collie, sorry. That's cabbage. That beetroot's doing okay. A couple 3 there. Oh yeah, them onions are 3. Yeah, let's lift it up. Hang on. There you go. Lovely and warm in there, that's all right. See it? There you go. nothing on them charbs and that. Planted them months ago. I think something's been in here, a mouse or something, had these out, pumpkins. Probably has. I was doing okay, there was a cucumber and beans. Some little tomatoes, where was it? Oh, there they go. Ooh, disappeared. See, I've sure got a mouse in here. Must have got through one of these holes. It looks like it's had a nibble of the big seeds. It's not had a nibble at them beans, they're growing okay. Yeah. Anyway, we need to sort that cable out for in here. So, might do that tomorrow, that wind's picked up. Yeah, that wind slate, weather slate. Someone's having a fire. There. Slate, swinging slate winder. That's what you can hear going cling, clang, sorry, hiccups. Yeah, it's lovely and warm in here. What is it in here? It's warmer in here than in there, believe it or not, but it won't be when it's that soil. I'm going to get some more polystyrene as well and put it underneath. There's Rocky. He's got a chapel on the other one over there. He's building a wailing wall over there. I don't know what he's building. He's just built a big massive wall full of pallets along the back. Terry will be happy. Oop, you walked over that cable then. Right. See you later. Tomorrow probably.